Good afternoon, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine, safe. So, are you enjoying your classes? You must enjoy your class. You must see all the videos and complete your worksheets complete the homework in the notebook. Okay. So, what we discussed in the last class? We discussed about the trigonometric ratios. So we were discussing about the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so what homework I gave? Once again, learn and write the trigonometric ratios explained in the class in the notebook. Okay, so once we will repeat that one. Children, why I am saying again and again? Because you have to again and again practice that one. When you will practice again and again, then only you can understand. By doing simply just 1 or 2 times, you can't remember it, understand it. Okay, so you have to 3 4 times 5 times you have to going on write and do for different angles, different triangles. You have to try by yourself. Okay, that spirit you must have. So once again we will see that one what I gave trigonometric ratios you have to find out. So we will see. Suppose theta is angle of reference. There is triangle PQR, a right angle triangle PQR and right angle at Q. Okay, so right angle is at Q. So whenever triangle is given here, you see triangle PQR, right angle at 90 degree at Q. So what will be the hypotenuse? So hypotenuse will be compulsory the opposite to the right angle. Right angle is angle Q. So its opposite which side is there? That is PR is the opposite to right angle. Right angle its opposite PR. So PR is a hypotenuse. Okay, H, that is PR, is a hypotenuse. Now next is theta is the angle of reference, and remaining two angles are what? Angle P and angle R. These two are acute angles. This is the right angles, and angle P and angle R are right angle. Sorry, angle Q is a right angle, angle P and angle R are acute angles. So in this two, any one is the angle of reference. So consider angle R is theta, the angle of reference. Angle R is theta, angle of reference. So already I explained you theta, Greek letters like theta, phi, alpha, beta, gamma. These all are the Greek letters we use to indicate the angles. So here theta is the angle of reference. So you have to find out sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, then cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Okay, so these are the trigonometric ratios you have to study. You have to find out right angle triangle, 6 trigonometric ratios. 3 sides gives 6 trigonometric ratios. In that, these 3 are the main trigonometric ratios. What are these? Sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Total 6 trigonometric ratios. Out of 6, these 3 are the main trigonometric ratios. Why these are main trigonometric ratios? Because if you know these 3, you can find out these 3 also. Okay, why? Because sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Reciprocal. Sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal of each other. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Next, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Cos theta and sec theta are reciprocal of each other. cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Next, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. So tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal of each other. If sin theta is 2 by 3, cosec theta will be 3 by 2. Reciprocal. Cos theta is 5 by 2, then sec theta will be 2 by 5. Tan theta is suppose 3 by 4, then cot theta will be 4 by 3. Reciprocal. Okay. So if you know these three also you can find. No need to calculate, just reverse reciprocally will do, you can get it. So the main three trigonometric ratios are sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So here sin theta, you see theta is the angle of reference. So we know the side opposite to angle of reference is perpendicular. Theta is angle of reference, its opposite is what? PQ. So PQ is perpendicular. Side opposite to angle of reference opposite side will be perpendicular. Already hypotenuse is there. The side adjacent, theta adjacent, which side is there? QR. This is base. Clear? If angle of reference will be angle P, then this P and B will exchange. Clear? So sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular, see, PQ. By hypotenuse is what? PR. Okay. Next, cos theta. Cos theta is equal to what? Base by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Okay. So base is what? What is base? Base is QR. By hypotenuse is what? PR. Okay, B by H. Sin theta P by H, cos theta B by H. Whereas tan theta is perpendicular by base, P by B. Perpendicular by base, P by B. Perpendicular is what? PQ. Base is what? QR. P by B. Now you see, children, cot theta, tan theta, cot theta are reciprocal of each other. So cot theta is, tan theta is P by B, then cot theta will be B by P. Base by perpendicular. Tan theta perpendicular by base, cot theta base by perpendicular. It is reverse. So base is QR by perpendicular is PQ. Like that, sec theta. Sec theta and cosec theta are reciprocal of each other. Cos theta, cos theta is equal to B by H. Cos theta is B by H. Sec theta will be H by B. H by B. So H by B means reverse became PR by QR. You can see H PR by QR base. Next is cosec theta. Cosec theta and sin theta are reciprocal of each other. Sin theta P by H, cosec theta H by P. H by P. So what is H? PR. What is P? PQ. So once see, this is PQ by PR, this is PR by PQ. Reciprocal. So this was the work I gave. I gave once again, learn and write trigonometric ratios in the notebook. So this is one more triangle. You have to consider different triangles, angle of reference, and you have to find out the trigonometric ratios. So this was the work. Next today we will discuss trigonometric ratios solutions. So children, this is a question. Okay, today we are going to solve this question. Given 10a is equal to 4 by 3, 10a value is given. Okay, 10a value is given 4 by 3. Find the other trigonometric ratios of the angle A. Okay, 10a, one trigonometric ratio is given. 10a is equal to 4 by 3. You have to find remaining trigonometric ratios for the angle A. Angle A is a angle of reference. Okay, angle A is angle of reference. So you have to find other trigonometric ratios. What are the other trigonometric ratios? Sin A, cos A. Okay, then tan A already is given. Then cot A, sec A, cosec A. These are the other trigonometric ratios you have to find. Okay, solution. First, what you have to do, you have to draw the triangle, because if triangle will be there, then only you can see and find out. That's why first triangle you have to draw. So one right angle triangle, draw one right angle triangle. Here angle of reference compulsory angle A. So suppose A, B, C. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle where angle B at B 90 degrees there. Right angle is there at B. Angle A is the angle of reference. Okay, so now first we have to find out where is perpendicular, where is base. So the side opposite to 90 degree, again side opposite to 90 degree will be hypotenuse. Is it not? First hypotenuse is what you have to mark. Then after next is what? Where is perpendicular? The side opposite to angle of reference. What is angle of reference? Angle A. Angle A is the angle of reference. Its opposite side, that will be perpendicular. So side opposite to angle of reference. So BC becomes perpendicular. So the side which is adjacent to angle of reference here, its adjacent is this side. This is only at last left. So this is base. So this is marking over base, perpendicular, hypotenuse. Now we have to find. So the trigonometric ratio first is what? Sin A. First trigonometric ratio is sin A. Sin A is equal to what? You have to compulsory remember sin A, P by H, cos A, B by H, tan A, P by B, like that. You have to remember, then only you can find out. So sin A means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular? See, what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is BC. So BC, perpendicular is BC by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse what? AC. But here what? You have to find value. 10A equal to 4 by 3 is given. So here one thing you have to do first. What is that? See, as 10A is equal to 4 by 3, trigonometric ratio is given 4 by 3. 10A means what? P by B. Perpendicular by base. Is it or not? 10A is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. Means perpendicular 4 units. Your perpendicular is 4 units. That is 4x. And base is 3x. Now why x here is multiplied? You will think, why miss multiplied with x? Perpendicular 4x and base is 3x. The thing is why, because this is ratio. This is not a value given. It's not a value given. It's a ratio is given. Ratio always expressed in lowest term. So here value will be something, but that will be converted into lowest term. Suppose if it is given 20 by 12, suppose 20 by 12. So 20 by 12 means 20 by 12 as it is they will not give. What they will do? They will cancel it. You can cancel 4 5 are 20, 4 3 are 12. So 5 by 3. So 5 by 3. So trigonometric ratio will be 5 by 3. That's why here trigonometric ratio is given 4 by 3. This is not an actual value. It's a ratio converted already into the lowest term. That's why we have given 4x and 3x. X will be the common factor for both. What is cancel? Suppose here we cancel with 4 table. 4 5 are 20, 4 3 are 12. It means 4 5 are 20, 4 3 are 12. So what is 4? It's a x here. Here what is 4? That is only x here. The common factor for both, which is cancelled. So that's why when trigonometric ratio given, you can't write directly like that. You have to take some variable 4x, 3x, perpendicular base 4x and 3x. So what you have to find out? Hypotenuse value. H is equal to, we know already according to Pythagoras. That's why I explained you Pythagoras theorem first. Okay, h square is equal to p square plus b square. So h square is equal to p square means 4x whole square plus b square means 3x whole square. 4 square means 4 4 ja 16 x square plus 3x square means 3x into 3x 9x square. So how much? 25x square. So what is equal to? H square equal to? H is equal to what? Square root of 25x square. So square root of 25, 5. Square root of x square, x. So hypotenuse is equal to 5x. How much we got hypotenuse? 5x. Clear? Now BC by AC. So here BC is your perpendicular. Let it separate this one. Okay. BC is perpendicular. Perpendicular is how much? 4x. We'll take with perpendicular is 4x. Base is 3x. Base is 3x. Hypotenuse is 5x. Clear? Visible? Now sin A, P by H. P is 4x. H is 5x. So xx cancel. How much? 4 by 5. Sin A is equal to 4 by 5. Next is what? Cos A. Cos A is equal to what? Base by hypotenuse. B by H. Cos is equal to B by H. Base by hypotenuse. What is base here? See, base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Okay, AB by AC. AB how much? AB value? Okay, base value 3x and hypotenuse value 5x. Xx cancel. 3 by 5. Cos A equal to 3 by 5. Okay, sin A, cos A. 10A already given in the question 4 by 3. So next what we will find? Cot A. Cot A. Cot A. So 10A, cot A are reciprocal of each other. 10 is P by B. Cot is B by P. B by P. Base by perpendicular. What is base? Base is AB. Perpendicular is BC. So AB how much? 3x and perpendicular how much? 4x. Cancel. 3 by 4. Next what? Sec A. Sec A. Sec and cos. Cos, sec, both are reciprocal of each other. Cos is B by H, sec is H by B. h by b. Hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse how much? AC. By base how much? AB. Is it or not? See, here AB by AC, here AC by AB, reciprocal. So AC how much? AC you see 5x by AB how much? 3x. How much? 5 by 3. So you see here cos A 3 by 5 we got, sec A 5 by 3. So next is cosec A. Cosec A. So we know sine and cosec are reciprocal of each other. Sine is P by H, cosec is H by P. H by P. So now H, hypotenuse. Where is hypotenuse? See, hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is AC. AC by P. Perpendicular. What is perpendicular here? BC. BC. So AC by BC. One see sine BC by AC. This is AC by BC. Reciprocal. So how much value we must get? If this is 4 by 5, here how much we should get? 5 by 4. If this is 4 by 5, here we should get 5 by 4, because sine, cosec are reciprocal of each other. So okay, let me see 5 by 4 we are getting or not. AC how much? AC 5x and BC how much? 4x. Cancel 5 by 4. So see, 4 by 5, this is 5 by 4. Got now? So sine, cos and tan are important trigonometric ratio. If sine, cos and tan you will get, then remaining cot, sec and cosec easily you can get. How? By just reciprocal you have to do. Sine is 4 by 5, cosec will be 5 by 4. If cos will be 3 by 5, sec will be 5 by 3. If cot is 3 by 4, tan is 4 by 3. Okay now children? So this much for today. Today we saw only one question, tan A equal to 4 by 3. Find the other trigonometric ratio. But this one question is not a simple one. You can see full board is filled up. So that much content it contains, and for you also this is a work. Again you have to take one more question. I will give you like that one question for you as a homework. One trigonometric ratio will be given. You have to find the other trigonometric ratio. Like this only question I will give as a work. Compulsory you must do that one. Try that one. We will discuss in the next class. This is for today. Thanks for watching.